Sensor development boards provide the ideal platform for developing projects and designs that measure or detect such things as temperature, light, motion, and humidity. These development boards offer all the necessary support circuitry that allows designers to fully utilize and evaluate the sensors. The TE Connectivity Ambimate MS4 sensor module development kits, available from Mouser Electronics, allow developers to connect to either a Raspberry Pi or Arduino and start collecting data within 30 minutes. Each kit provides an application-specific set of sensors on a ready-to-attach PCB assembly for easy integration into a host product. The PCB assembly integrates a 4-core sensor solution for motion, light, temperature, and humidity that reduces design effort and accelerates time to market. Optional sense capabilities include volatile organic compound, equivalent carbon dioxide, and sound detection. MS4 series sensor modules offer the flexibility of sharing a common 7-position connection. This allows designers to lay out a single PCB footprint, accommodating all the available sensor configurations at production. Typical applications include indoor lighting, building automation, connected home, air quality, energy management, workspace comfort, and zonal environmental controls. For more information on the TE Connectivity Ambimate Sensor Module MS4 development kits, visit mouser.com.